Hey, good morning, everybody. I want to say thank you for asking for my purse and feel more berry. And thank you for all the medicine. The medicines work very good. Thank you, Ed. Oh my God, it was wonderful. Nothing. Have a great day, everybody.
Hello and welcome. I'm Tim, and that's obviously Crisálida, and welcome to SV Paquita. And just to give you an idea, everything's healing up. This is almost all better. You can see that was there. This was here.
The medicine worked
Went
very
down
good.
here. But she's saying how the medicine has worked phenomenally well. Um, so one of you, Ed, out there, has sent us not one but two packages filled with this amazing medicine and bandages and all this stuff. And both of us are just overwhelmed with joy and gratitude for being so nice to all of us. Cuidado, nosotros yeah. So thank you so much, Ed, for all that, and thank you all for all of your thoughts and prayers and wishes. Crisálida, as you can see, is doing very well. This is wonderful for the
Yeah,
first.
it's
Well, it's
dry.
been a little over. Yes, it's dry now. It was just weeping, for a long time, and now it looks really good. And all this. This isn't a lack of washing. This is.
I have a little more
It's,
here, but it's good.
yeah, exactly. A little bit there, but it's all coming along great. And we just wanted to say happy a Memorial Day weekend to you, and thank you so much for watching. Uh, Douglas Ray out there, he bought us a bus heater, and I don't think you can see it from this angle, but I see the two holes. I've installed it and it's put in. I got the switch in there just to test it out, and I have to wire it up back here. And I think when it gets too hot, we're gonna put this in. And this is I think that came from one of you guys too. That's a selector valve, so we can bypass that. But I think the whole time. Oh, okay, there we go. Thank you. I think that when we go to Maine, when we make hot water, we'll probably also not mind the heat coming out there. But anyway, that's that. We've big projects there. We had a water leak that we dealt with, and we've been doing all kinds of stuff. The rain has finally stopped. As you can see, I've been getting prepared to cook up a storm here. We've got a whole bunch of ribs to put on the grill to smoke. The marina's having a little get together here at 2 o'clock this afternoon. As you can see, I've made my dry rub over here. And we've got a whole bunch of uh, say macaroni and cheese, but it's really more like ziti and cheese. And I made that for later on as well. And now I'm making some macaroni salad as well. But anyway, that's it. I will get to you. I'm hoping to, as soon as I get this uploaded to you guys, I will get on the sander and start sanding away. It's like 7:30, so it's not even 8 o'clock yet. So maybe I'll wait until 8 so the people that are sleeping don't have to listen to me out there sanding away. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys. You guys, I've really been touched at how many people have reached out and offered your thoughts and prayers and good vibes and all that good stuff for Crisálida. And as you can see, it really helped out, and it's wonderful. Thank you so much, and special shout out to Ed. Oh my God, it's funny because when the guy at the marina, Chris, he comes over and says, "Oh, you got some packages." I said, "Wow, I didn't get any notification I was getting any packages." He says, "I don't know what these are." And I open up and say, what? And it just box up. I mean, Ed, incredible stuff. And as soon as she put it on, she healed right up just like that. So, and she's continuing to do so. We just have it open so you guys could see what was going on. All right, you guys take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the one.